Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover one of the grammar topics of English, that is types of sentence. Mainly there are four types of sentence, that is declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. First of all, we will see what is declarative sentence. A declarative sentence simply makes a statement or expresses an opinion. In other words, we can say that a sentence which makes or declares something is called as declarative sentence. For example, I want to be a good writer, and also declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Example, I want to be a good writer. Here the sentence is declaring that the person wants to be a good writer, and this sentence also ends with a full stop. So it is an example of declarative sentence. Next is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives command or makes request. It usually ends with a period. Period means full stop. It also ends with a full stop. And whenever we see in the sentence some of the command is given or any of sort of request is done, so we can call it as imperative sentence. For example, please sit down, I need you to sit down. These are the, or please give me a cup of coffee or tea. These are the examples of imperative sentence. Now what is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. This type of sentence begins with who, what, where, when, why, how or do, and it ends up with a question mark. So whenever you see a sentence starting up with when, what, why, there and ends with a question mark, we can call it as an interrogative sentence. For example, when are you going to turn in your writing assessment, or when are you going to submit the form, or do you know what will be the weather tomorrow? So this type of sentences are called as interrogative sentence. Now we will see what is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotions such as excitement, surprise, happiness, anger, and it usually ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentence, the examples are, it is too dangerous to climb that mountain. It ends up with the exclamation mark, so we can call it as an exclamatory sentence. I got an A on my report card. So this is also a exclamatory sentence. So here we covered the topic of types of sentences. If you like the topic, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.